So here is another example for differential equation in finding the general solution. Like my first video, it is also a homogeneous differential equation. First, we rewrite the equation into this: x squared dy over dx equal equal to y squared plus 2xy. Now, divide both sides by x squared. And this will result to dy over dx equals y over x squared plus 2y over x. Now, we let u is equal to y over x. And then, multiply both sides by x. And we get y equals to u times x. And derive both sides with respect to x. And we will get dy over dx is equal to u plus x du over dx. Substitute this to our equation. We will get u plus x du over dx equal to u squared plus 2u. And we subtract both sides by u. And we will get x du over dx, which is equal to u squared plus u. And now, we have a separable differential equation. Putting all the x on the left and u's on the right and integrate both sides, we will get integration of dx over x equal to integration of du over u squared plus u. Integration of dx over x is equal to ln x, but the integration of du over u squared plus u, we need to have a partial fraction before to evaluate. So 1 over u squared plus u is equal to 1 over u times u plus 1. And we equal this to a over u plus b over u plus 1. And multiply both sides by u times u plus 1. We will have 1 is equal to a times u plus 1 plus bu. So when u is equal to 0, 1 is equal to a times 0 plus 1 plus b times 0, which will result to 1 is equal to a times 1 and a is equal to 1. And when u is equal to negative 1, 1 is equal to a times negative 1 plus 1 plus b times negative 1, it will result to 1 equals to b negative 1 and rb is now equal to negative 1. So 1 over u squared plus u now equal to 1 over u minus 1 over u plus 1. By integrating this, we will get ln u minus ln u plus 1 plus c. And go back to our equation. We now have ln x equal to ln u minus ln u plus 1 plus c. And now we will extract the x and the u's out from the natural logarithm. And this is equal to e to the ln of x equals to e to the ln of u e to the c over e to the ln of u plus 1. And e to the c can be written as c because it is also an arbitrary constant. After we extract the x and the u's, we now have x equal to cu over u plus 1. Since u is equal to y over x, we will now have changed all the u's into y over x. And we will get x equal to c times y over x over y over x plus 1. To simplify our solution, we multiply both sides by y over x plus 1. By distributing the x inside, we will get y plus x equal to c times y over x. After that, we multiply both sides by x over y, and we will get c equals to x plus x squared over y. This is now our general solution.